In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys get a Fortnite dev account in Chapter 3, Season 3, which is completely working. As you can see, I have the Renegade Raider skin, and this is literally insane, guys. You guys watch the full entire video, but without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing you guys want to do is actually go into the item shop and use the supporter creator code FCYT and hit accept. Do this every 2 weeks, hashtag add, and then close this out. From here, guys, you want to go back onto the link up to the description if you weren't there already, and there will be a bit.ly link. So press on that bit.ly link and it's going to take you to this recognize link. It's going to be 2 buttons right here. You want to press the first button and subscribe to myself.
I went on eBay and bought an insanely rare
So subscribe to myself and then go back on the recognize link and then subscribe to my friend Shadow. Subscribe to him, and then once you have subscribed to both of us, just wait for the link to unlock, and then just wait around 15 to 30 seconds for the link to unlock, and then press unlock link, and then press I'm not a robot, and then free access, and then go on to the download Fortnite Dev, and then press save, and then wait for this to download. When you double click it, it's going to ask for you to run as an administrator, so just press yes to that. And then when you guys are here, you guys are going to see this pop up right here. Just press next, skip all, and then open. And it's going to take you to that My Beacons AI link. Once you guys are here, you guys want to scroll down and find RexFN. There's a bunch of private servers and devs that are in here, but none of them are actually currently working right now. So, but if you guys want to be updated when these actually work, make sure to like and subscribe. And like I said, turn on notifications so you don't miss a video when I actually do post one. But yeah, guys, for today's video, just press RexFN. And that's going to take you to the Discord right here. And then from here, guys, you want to go on to the Anywhere platforms. And then once you agree to the rules, you want to go on Anywhere platforms like I was saying. So agree to these rules. And then just press Anywhere how to use channel. There's going to be multiple links right here. The first one is the code generator. And the second one is the RexFN Anywhere website. So you guys want to go onto the RexFN Anywhere website. So click on this. And then press I'm not a robot. And then press free access, and then go on to the download website, and then press save, and then wait for it to download, and double click, and then go through the same process as you did to unlock my website, and then press skip all and then open. Then this is going to take you to the Anywhere RexFN website. If it asks for an authorization code, go back onto Discord and then go on the code generator. Once you guys are here, guys, you guys want to press launch, and then there's going to be a website. Through this website, you guys can put on any skin. It's pretty sick, guys. Every single skin is here, even unreleased skins. That's why there's a new items tab. You guys can see skins that have been released recently or unreleased skins. For example, the Goku skin and the Phantasm skin and all these emotes. They're pretty cool, guys. So, yeah. So, once you guys see that you guys can actually add somebody at the top, you guys want to load up Fortnite. And you guys do keep in mind, you guys only have 30 minutes to actually use this. If you want to use this infinitely, you guys can buy the premium. But I just use it 30 minutes at a time. So yeah, just wait for it to actually pop up. So as you guys see, just double click on this and then press copy. And then go on to the Epic Games launcher. And then you guys want to launch up Fortnite and actually add that username. So launch Fortnite and then actually add the username. Also, if you guys are still watching, comment any emoji and I will heart your comment. It can literally be anything. I just want to see which of my viewers actually watched my whole entire video. So yeah, guys, we are loaded in right now. So close this out, and then you guys want to go on to the play section, and then you guys want to actually add the bot. If you don't have him already added, I already have him added, so we can actually join his party right here. And then as you can see, that there's going to be a default skin equipped, or the default for this skin is Renegade Raider. So you guys can go on to the new items page, and you guys can actually do emotes and stuff. It's pretty sick. For example, we can use the new Goku skins, and we can equip those in the lobby. It's pretty cool, guys. And you guys can even equip back blings, emotes, and pickaxes. But I'm going to show you guys some cool trick. If you guys want to, you guys can go in the search, and then there's going to be a bunch of TBD skins. With this, guys, you guys can put on unreleased skins or skins that are not in the game yet. Most of these skins will actually never be released actually in Fortnite. So yeah, guys, it's pretty sick. And as you guys can see, we have a bunch of skins that we can actually equip right here. So for example, this skin will never be released ever in the game. And you guys can do pretty cool emotes as well. So yeah guys, that's gonna be the end of today's video. If you guys did enjoy and you guys want more tutorials, like I said, make sure to like and subscribe and turn notifications so you don't miss another banger. And I'll see you on the next one. It's been your boy Radius. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.